Yeah, I might have to turn this down. I might have to, I don't know. Let's see what happens. This is a whole different song, a whole different way of testing it. 1785, 1.5. Alright guys, so welcome back. So first of all, I'm just meeting somebody else today, Marketplace. I told him I'd help him set up his system, help him out. So first of all, we're going to test the power wire here and put it on DC volts. And we got 12.76. And we're going to test the ground. And the ground comes back at 0. So we're good there. I actually came to sell him a 10-inch sub, and this is a 12-inch box. So I think we're gonna get him a 12-inch sub. I have a couple options in mind. I don't know what he wants to go with. He has this 2-channel Jensen, and I recommended that for starters he can go with the Lanzar Opti Drive Plus 100. It looks like an old school girl, so I'm guessing it probably does pretty good power for... They don't make amps today like they used to. So I'm going to get started on getting his stuff wired in, and we're going to figure out what he needs for his sub, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so welcome back. So he just got just turned the car on. I got everything wired up so far. I don't know if it has a light on the amp. Oh, you know what? We have to plug the speaker into the amp. Yeah, so we'll be right back. We got to plug the speaker into the amp. That might help. All right, guys. Welcome back. So we're just getting this set up here. The remote wire, he didn't put, well, it was the screw that is in the amp chewed it up. So we just fixed that problem, and now we're gonna just wire the sub into the amp, and we should be bumping soon. So, all right. I think the sub that's in here is the 12-inch Lanzar. If you guys see the video, the Max ST, it's wired to 2 ohms.
You can go ahead, bro.
Did you put it in the amp?
Oh my, no. Okay, hold on.
This guy said to tell him to do. This guy's like, oh, you're all set 4 times.
I'm excited to get going. We've had a few trouble shots here so far, so. Okay, I need my screwdriver back. I'm excited to get this going. All right. Just got both of them.
Yeah, just that one over to the left and one over to the right. The left is negative. I mean positive. Jeez.
Just put that up.
And if you guys didn't know, I don't know if what he's explained already, but it's on the old school Lanzar.
Yeah, and it said that this does like 200 watts bridged at 4 ohms.
So it should probably do a little over that.
Yeah, I'm guessing it might even do more than that, seeing as how she's an old girl. And it says that it's 1 ohm stable, which is
crazy for
phenomenal for an old girl.
It was hard to do that back in whatever that's.
Are you kidding me? It's that remote wire. Maybe I'm gonna put a new wire on it.
It's too thin.
It's too thin.
Add some speaker wire to it.
Yeah, I'm gonna add some speaker wire to it.
Look at the remote wire just broke
Twice
off
now.
the thing.
That's 2 times that it broke.
You want some of the 10 gauge, or you just gonna use your speaker wire?
Yeah, this should be fine, right?
Yeah, it should.
Okay, hold that right there. The wire up.
We'll be bumping soon, guys.
Here, screw that in.
be right back. We'll be back, guys.
That's in.
All right,
Lanzar
guys.
OptiDrive Plus. It's a 2-channel amp, I believe. We have it bridged in mono right now. On the Lanzar Max ST for a subwoofer. I think he's putting some music on right now. Putting some something on.
We got the remote wire good. We got everything good. Everything a lot better.
I actually added to the remote wire. It was like maybe 22 gauge remote wire. I added some 12 gauge to it, and that's how we got the wire in. He's gonna come back at some point with an upgraded amp kit. We're gonna upgrade the whole thing for him. From the ground, we'll put nice terminals on for him. The power wire, we're gonna put nice terminals on for him. So
you might want to start lower volume too, just to see where we're at. I don't want you to blow this up right away, or at all. Yeah, I'd say start at like 8 or 10. And he has it on a Kenwood radio.
Yeah,
it looks
Kenwood
like a double
unit.
DIN touchscreen, so that's a great. Kenwood is great. I have a JVC personally. You know, all those good top brands are really great. Kenwood, Pioneer, JVC, Dual. No, I'm just kidding.
Dual was so bad, Walmart stopped selling them.
They went to O'Reilly's. At least O'Reilly sells them for their actual for like cheapo.
I want to go get one of them little. They got like little 6.5-inch sub boxes there.
You said you wanted to go there.
Yeah,
we should go there.
To check it out.
We should go.
We'll put it like a chest camera on.
We should go there after.
Walk around with our phone in our pocket.
Sir.
We're recording. Yeah.
What happened? What you want to do?
Try my phone. Bluetooth?
Ah, yes, the Bluetooth problems. But guys, if you want to see again, this is actually the sealed box, the DIY.
I'm guessing it's Kenwood.
Skosh box that you can buy literally from Walmart. It's a nice sealed box. It's actually bigger than I thought. I've never seen one out of the packaging.
Are you on?
No, I'm disconnected. It should be DDX375BT.
Hold on.
No, that's mine.
Oh, that's yours? How is that yours?
Because it's already previously connected devices. You need to do a pair of new ones. So go to Bluetooth.
Okay.
Pair new
device.
And again, this is on the Lanzar. Oh, gotta get the camera thing. OptiDrive Plus. We got the wires all here, all screwed in. Good RCAs. So. And
is it DDX3?
No.
DDX3? Okay. I'm pairing now.
All right. We're gonna get this thing going. Nothing?
Oh, I kicked the battery setting.
Oh, it brought up something and it went away.
Is it putting anything on your screen? No?
iPhone?
No. What was that?
I know what I'm saying.
It
All
like
right.
pops up a thing to connect and then it disappears. Oh, it said pair right there. I'm gonna hit it right here.
We'll be right back, guys.
Yeah.
All right, guys, what's going on? This guy's just laying in the back of a trunk. So we had a little bit of a problem. So the Lanzar amp over here ended up not putting enough power, enough volume, enough anything out to
Must
the
have
subwoofer.
MOSFETs blown or something.
Yeah, something must be blown inside of the amp. We made sure it was giving it to the sub too, like nothing vibrating on the car. And it was giving something little, but not even giving enough to make it. You couldn't even see that it was moving to the eye.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna be putting this Jensen 600 watt amp. It should be a lot more. It works with an app if you've never seen these kinds of amps, so there's no settings on the actual amp. You just plug it in. The way you know this amp is on is that there's LEDs that you can even control, so it's a little bit more of like a fun amp as well. It's a Class D amp, so you can use it for speakers, you can use it for a sub, you can use it for anything. That's pretty much where we're at right now. I don't think I recorded us actually putting music on. I'm not sure. I know the last clip I just kind of paused it because we were having issues with Bluetooth, but we'll be all set soon. He's just wiring it in. So yeah, the only thing different about this one is we actually put a little bit more of a bigger fuse in it, so it should be all set to... Dang. Seriously?
Oh my God.
Does that power wire not go anymore? It looks like it has more pull to it.
Is there any more pull? Is there any more pull to the power wire? Hey, buddy.
But I guess we'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned.
All right, guys, so we got the Jensen Octane 600 amp on. We got the Lanzar Max ST. Everything's running now. We got the kid up in basin right now. What can you say? We're a couple of good guys. What time is it? 1:37. I think we've probably been here for like 2 hours maybe. But you know what? The kid's gonna drive away with a smile on his face today. I'll get that smile before we leave. I asked him if he wanted to be on camera, but he'll give me a smile for the camera before we take off. I'll get a short too for you guys. You shutting me off? Oh. Is that me or you?
Did someone call you too?
No, that was you? All right, so we just gotta bite them clips down.
All right, pause it. I want to have, he's got to do his settings. I can't.
Okay. So you can go ahead and talk.
All right, so if you want to go,
I don't know if there was a
the
problem with the
Jensen app,
box terminal. Where's that box terminal you had?
and in here.
Where? Here? Oh. So here was the terminal anyways that was on the back of the box. You can see very clearly
It should be scanning.
that this was what I was trying to clip to first of all. And this was the other
So-
clip, and that's why it wouldn't go on.
It's gonna be, I'd say.
Looks like someone tried
maximum
soldering
at
to
10,
it.
Straight up. So the crossover
And
always should be on low.
This
pass.
was what was going on with
Just using
the...
bass. You're not using speakers. If
That's why it wouldn't-
Anytime you put this kind of amp
The speakers
on,
wouldn't clip onto it.
speakers.
So I
or,
took the
like,
thing out.
range,
It has
you
a
would
small
use
hole in the back now, which
So
is
LPF,
whatever.
The frequency is going to be 80 hertz. So
I'm gonna
the sub shouldn't go
take
over,
the
usually
terminals
shouldn't
and
go
just
over
clamp
80
them
hertz.
onto the speaker wire gently for now.
You want,
Just in case he gets a new
you want to
thing,
do
he
a
can
little
just
more. I'd
easily
say the
put it
max
in
you
and
put it at
clip it
100
on.
hertz, but 80 is the best one that you use.
All right.
And
So we'll be back
keep
with a
that
short,
on.
guys. We'll be back real
Gains
quick.
at 5.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. You know what to do. Take care of yourselves and each other, guys.
probably put it
Peace.
to 6, keep it there, and then